Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Answers Simplified. In this video, I will be sharing answers of Viva Class 7 Social Science Geography Chapter 2 Inside Our Earth. Let us discuss the long answer type questions. The first question is, the structure of the earth is divided into concentric layers. Explain with the help of a diagram. Answer. The earth can be divided into three concentric layers: crust, mantle and core. Crust. The solid, thin outermost layer of the earth is called its crust. The crust can be divided into two parts: the continental crust and the oceanic crust. Continental crust. The continental crust extends to about 50 km beneath the continents. It is made up of two layers. The upper layer is represented by granitic rocks, while the lower layer is represented by basaltic rocks. Oceanic crust. The oceanic crust lies below the oceans and is about 6 km thick. It has just one layer and it is made up of basaltic rocks and gabbro. Mantle. The middle layer of the earth is called the mantle. It consists of iron and magnesium. Most of the earth's mass is in it. The temperature in it is very high. Core. The innermost part of the earth is called the core. It is divided into two parts, the inner core and the outer core. For the diagram, students please refer to your textbook. Question number 2. What is meant by the crust? Highlight the differences between the continental crust and oceanic crust. Answer. The solid, thin outermost layer of the earth is called its crust. The differences between the continental crust and oceanic crust are: let us discuss continental crust first. It extends to about 50 km beneath the continent. It is made up of two layers. The layers are made up of silica, aluminium and magnesium. It is made up of granitic and basaltic rocks. Oceanic crust. It lies below the ocean and is 6 km thick. It is made up of one layer only. The layer is made up of sima. It is made up of basaltic rocks and gabbro. Third question. Explain the origin of igneous rocks in detail. Answer. The interior of the earth contains very hot molten material called magma. When magma reaches the earth's surface through cracks and crevices, it cools and solidifies below or above the surface of the earth, forming igneous rocks. They are of two types: extrusive or volcanic rocks. Magma comes out to the surface of the earth during volcanic eruption, cools rapidly and solidifies to form small crystals of extrusive rocks. Intrusive or plutonic rocks. Intrusive rocks are formed when slow cooling and solidification of magma takes place below the surface of the earth. Question 4. Trace the formation of metamorphic rocks. Answer. Igneous and sedimentary rocks buried deep inside the earth's crust undergo extreme heat and pressure. They completely change in form and characteristics, becoming dense and compact, forming metamorphic rocks. The change occurs due to volcanic activity, movements of the earth's crust, or due to heat and pressure deep inside the earth. The last question, what is a rock cycle? Explain the process of formation of rocks with the help of a diagram. Answer. The transformation of rocks from one form into another in a cyclic manner is called the rock cycle. The magma from the earth's interior rises to the surface to form extrusive igneous rocks. Due to rain, wind and other natural phenomena, these igneous rocks break into fragments which get deposited as sediments on land and beds of rivers, oceans and seas. Over a period of time, these sediments get compressed to form sedimentary rocks. Students, for diagram, you can refer to page 111 of your textbook. Check figure 2.3. Thanks for watching.